Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's first question, dash are present only in plant cells. Options are mitochondria, nucleus, Golgi apparatus, plastids. Right option is D, plastids. Next question, Awadh was annexed by the British in dash. Options are 1845, 1856, 1838, 1859. Right option is B, 1856. Next question, famous Indian boxer Mary Kom is from which state? Options are Nagaland, Manipur, Tamil Nadu, Mizoram. Right option is B, Manipur. Next question, the Rig Veda is a collection of dash hymns. Options are 1028, 1076, 1124, 1152. Right option is A, 1028. Next question, the total value of goods and services traded is considered to be the dash of trade. Options are volume, composition, direction, exhibition. Right option is A, volume. Next question, the High Court of Delhi was established in dash. Options are 1962, 1947, 1951, 1966. Right option is D, 1966. Next question, the ancient name of which of the following rivers is Bipasha? Options are Sutlej, Ravi, Chenab, Bias. Right option is D, Bias. Next question, which of the following cities was the first planned city of the Mughals? Options are Mirzapur, Fatehpur Sikri, Lucknow, Lahore. Right option is B, Fatehpur Sikri. Next question, the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha is called dash. Options are the chairman, the speaker, the deputy chairman, the deputy speaker. Right option is B, the speaker. Next question, which among the following is the coldest of the atmosphere layers? Options are mesosphere, stratosphere, thermosphere, troposphere. Right option is A, mesosphere. Next question, Lavlina Borgohain is associated with which sports? Options are chess, table tennis, boxing, swimming. Right option is C, boxing. Next question, which of the following dances is a popular folk dance of Maharashtra? Options are Lavani, Bihu, Jhumar, Gida. Right option is A, Lavani. Next question, how many tax slabs are classified in the GST bill? Options are 7, 3, 8, 4. Right option is D, 4. Next question, an image which cannot be obtained on a screen is called a dash. Options are virtual image, real image, vector image, spectral image. Right option is A, virtual image. Next question, dash describe the idea of evolution in his book, The Origin of Species. Options are Edward Jenner, Charles Darwin, Robert Brown, Aristotle. Right option is B, Charles Darwin. Thank you.